Chief Executive Officer, Wing Commander Sharma, Mrs. Sharma, Chief Operations Officer, Wing Commander Ghosh, Principal, academic and non-academic staff, and above all, dear students of Jain International Residential School. At the outset, I want to thank the leadership of the school for having invited to be amongst you all this morning and celebrate our 67th Republic Day. Thank you all for inviting me. The previous speakers, the students who spoke both in Hindi as well as English, wonderfully described the importance of the Republic Day. What we all need to do is to remember the vision of our forefathers, the national leaders, past and present, and contribute in the nation building to make this country, India, a great place to live. I am sure all of you must be having ambitions, some of becoming good doctors, some of becoming good engineers. Some of you may want to become good administrators. Maybe some of you may want to join the armed forces, Army, Air Force, or the Navy. Remember, whatever profession that you choose, choose the one that you love and have passion for. If you choose such a profession, I am sure you will like it for the rest of your life. In whichever profession that you decide to choose, try to be the best in that profession. While doing so, remember that it is very important to be a good citizen of the country. As the citizens of this country, we have some fundamental rights. A lot of us remember the fundamental rights, but quite a few forget that the same constitution provides for fundamental duties that we all as the citizens of this country have towards the country. As a citizen, as a good citizen, we must have respect for the rules and abide by those rules. It is a very nice habit to develop, to abide by the rules. And you are at that stage of your life when this good habit can be developed. Knowledge, hard work, and aptitude, all are very important ingredients for a successful life. But to get the right results, always and every time, you must have the right attitude. Because if you don't have the right attitude, you will not always get the right results. Whenever I speak in public like this, I am reminded of a principle of 3H that one of our superior officers introduced to us very early in our life. By 3H, I mean head, heart, and the hands. By the head, I mean we must have the right knowledge of what we are trying to do. By heart, I mean that we must have compassion, empathy, and concern for the people who are around us. And by hand, I mean that we must be hands-on. We must be able to demonstrate to the people what we want them to do. Remember that the efforts that you put in are result oriented. In the efforts that you put in, there is something called outcome. A lot of us know about input and the output, but remember, there is something called outcome. Outcome is quite similar to what we say the difference between efficiency and the effectiveness. Being effective is getting the right results, doing the right job the right way, always and every time. That is why being effective or outcome oriented is more important than the output or being efficient. In the end, I would like to compliment each one of you for a wonderful display of parade and a small but very entertaining cultural program that the young Tiny Tots put up this morning. Thank you. Jai Hind. God bless.
Thank you, sir. That was indeed a very inspiring speech. I am sure everyone present here will certainly carry the message in their hearts forever.